Welcome to my channel M Kormaka. Here the question: solve 1 by a plus b plus x is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x, where x not is equal to 0, comma not is equal to minus a plus b. First writing the question: a plus b plus x equal to 1 by a by b plus 1 by x. Before going to solve, we think, or memory, we calculate something. If we add right hand side, there are three fractions: 1 by a plus 1 by b, 1 by x, a, b, x, LCM, and numerator after adding we will have three terms. After that, if we cross multiply, a plus b plus x will be multiplied by these three terms. Then after that we will get 9 terms. So it may not be easy. If we do 1 by a plus b plus x minus 1 by x, that means transposing 1 by x to the left, then here will be two fractions and right hand side will be two fractions, and right hand side after adding you will get a plus b by ab, and left hand side a plus b plus x minus 1 by x. After simplification, x must be cancelled out, so it may be easy. We are trying to do that way. That means 1 by a plus x, transposing 1 by x to the left minus 1 by x, rest terms as it is. Now simplifying left hand side and right hand side. For left hand side, LCM x, right hand side LCM AB. Here will be x minus of this. If we don't write within bracket, then minus a minus b minus x, right hand side a plus b. See, these x will be cancelled out. If we take out common, minus a plus b, a plus b x, 2x will be right hand side a plus b. Now a plus b may be cancelled out, so cancelling. Now cross multiplying, that means minus 1 into ab, right hand side left in the denominator 1 into this multiplied and written to x plus bx plus x square. Now this is minus ab transposed to the left. Now minus 1 into ab, minus ab transposed to the right. So left hand side 0, that is equal to, now rearranging, x square plus x plus bx plus ab. Now right hand side writing in first side as a is equal to b or b is equal to a. That means right hand side writing the left, x square plus x plus bx plus ab, that is equal to 0. Now obviously see, take first two terms x and second two terms b will be factorized. So take out common x from first two terms plus a, take out common b from next terms x plus a. Now you can take out common x plus a remaining here x plus b, that is equal to 0. So see, in the left hand side there are two factors and right hand side 0. The left hand side there are two factors. As right hand side 0, at least one factor 0 or all factors 0 or more than one factor 0. So either x plus a is equal to 0 gives x is equal to minus a is the solution of the equation, or x plus b that is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus b. Therefore, the required solution of the equation x is equal to minus a and x is equal to minus b. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel M Kormakar, click on the subscribe button and turn all notification to get all latest videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends.